Have you ever just needed to hit the reset button? Have you just needed to put all of those stressing things to the side and take a breather? Well, friends, that is the beauty of van life. Those breathers can come very easily. You just get behind the wheel and take a drive. Now, this particular weekend, I went to Arkabutla Dam and did some hikes around this area. It's a beautiful area. As you can see, it was rainy and so enjoyable. Because I have a bone deformity that causes my lower legs to be bow-legged, my knees to be knock-kneed, and I walk funny. I've been self-conscious about this for a long time, but you know, I just decided this is me. It is what it is. This hike was the Swinging Bridge Loop at the Arkabutla Dam. But I wasn't just there to see a swinging bridge. I wanted to stop and notice the details. Look around and find something unique. There's so much in nature if you'll only take a chance to pause and look and observe the tiny little things around you. When I was in kindergarten and first grade, I was supposed to wear these leg braces and special shoes, but they looked like baby shoes, and I was bullied about the way I walked and about my shoes. It was awful. that bullying could have been my undoing, but there were wise people that gave me counsel to keep pushing, keep going, to prove them wrong. And you know what? That was the best advice I ever received. And I'm so glad I had those voices there to encourage me. Because of that encouragement, I became a fighter. I became determined to do what they said I couldn't. It made me compassionate for others. It made me a champion of people with disabilities. And it made me sit down with those who couldn't walk or run. It made me stronger.